What is everyone doing today? This is a video that I've been procrastinating on for the last 2 weeks because it's not a good video. We've had record rainfall for our area, right around 32 inches for the year. And this garden, it just dried out. Like, I've had both of these plots underwater since early spring. Like, I even had sump pumps out here pumping water out because it was, flooded. And it sat like that for, probably the first 2.5 months of spring. And then we got pounded with 111 degrees almost every day for 2 weeks. Right now is July 19th, I believe. And these tomato plants should be loaded with blossoms and tomatoes. Like, there's a couple. See them? But this is not going to be a good season at all, because in that time of being underwater and then the heat gave to all the weeds, which is okay with the fabric, but all of the other stuff, like this is my garlic bed, which I haven't been able to harvest because, well, it just dried out. So, like, I'm looking around and I am seeing, like, there is no tomatoes on hardly any of these plants right now. And to top the cake, the deer have been completely wreaking havoc on everything in here. They've been loving my cucumbers. They've been nibbling all the tops of the cucumbers off. Jalapeno peppers, they've been nibbling off. Tomatoes, they've been biting off. This is not a good season for me this year. See, look at this deer. I mean, I have some stuff, like I'll have some jalapenos if the deer don't eat them. I will have some cucumbers if the deer don't eat them. And I will have zucchini, which I actually have some right now. However, the tomatoes are the main income of this farm, and it doesn't look like we're going to generate enough money off of the tomatoes to buy seeds next year. So this is going to be a wicked chain reaction. However, the watermelons, my flower beds have gone to complete weeds, but the watermelons and what else? Oh, pumpkins and cantaloupe, they seem to have been fighting pretty good, actually, out here. I mean, we're getting decent growth. It should have been better. But you can see where this stuff's growing a little bit better on this half versus over here. And this is the part that these were like completely underwater. So I got to take that in. That's a huge bummer. It's been quite the weekend. However, I'm going to ponder about this and figure out what I should do. But on a negative note today. Sorry, y'all. But happy farming, y'all. Later.